bisect the angles. Okay, I'm going to start you off on this. Yes, dear. Thank you. What? You're going to use that because you're going to do a project. So hold that thought. Okay? Okay, so here we go. We're going to make an incenter. And then once we have an incenter, we're going to inscribe the circle. So here we go. First thing you have to do is you have to bisect 3 angles. So you're going to put your sharp point, the point on one angle. You're going to put your sharp point on one angle and you're going to draw an arc. Here we go. Here's our arc. Make sure that your arc intersects both of the sides of your triangle. This one and this one. Okay, so once I've drawn my arc, I'm actually going to take my compass and open this up a little bit because I want all my work outside of my circle so it doesn't get too busy inside. So I'm going to arc outside. Then I'm going to put my pointer on the other intersection, and I'm going to make this arc out here. Okay? And then I'm going to connect my vertex. I'm going to connect my vertex with my intersection point. So right here. Okay? So we bisected one angle. Show that you bisected one angle like that. Okay, now we're going to bisect the next angle. Do this. Put your pointer on one vertex, make an arc, and then we're going to open this up more. We're going to put the pointer here, we're going to arc outside, turn it around, arc outside. Look for the intersection point. You guys have to find the intersection point. It's not always obvious, okay, so you might have to extend your line just a little bit. So now we take this, we take our vertex and we connect with the intersection. Okay, so now, so far we have 2 intersections. We're going to draw one more line that is going to make our incenter. So we're going to bisect one more angle. We're going to make another arc. Like that. We're going to open up our compass and we're going to have that outside. So I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to arc outside. I'm going to put it on the other intersection. I'm going to arc outside. Connect those 2 points, and we found what's called the incenter. So we connect this with the vertex with intersection point. Okay, well that didn't work very well. My line just sort of moved, so I'm going to have to redraw that. Hold on. Try not to move your compass like mine did. Okay, so what I have here, okay, anyway. So what I end up having is the intersection of 3 angle bisectors. What you guys need to notice, though, that as soon as you have your intersection, that point right there, this point right here is my incenter. That point is the intersection of 3 angle bisectors. Once I have that, though, what I can also do is what's called inscribe a circle. Inscribing a circle is inside, where circumscribing is outside. But if I inscribe, so I'm going to put my pointer on my intersection point, and I'm not going to go to my angle, I'm actually going to go to the side. And I'm going to try to go from one side, and I'm going to measure all the way around. And mine happens to be moving right now at this point. But try not to make it move, because if you cannot make it move, what you'll end up with is an incenter, a circle inscribed into your circle, and that is from an incenter.